I'm going to show you how to create an action script in the Excel app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this in the home menu. From here, we just go into the top row, click on Automate, and here we click on New Script. And here we can start to write a script if we know coding to automate some things. So if we have multiple sheets that are updated constantly and that are connected, we can write a script that takes information from one of the sheets, enters it into the takes information from one of the sheets, transforms it, gets some information out of that, and then imports that information into another sheet and works in that sheet with that information. We can do very complicated and cool things with this, and you can do it here. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.